We are here at Mcm Comic Con London 2019 at the XL to check out some amazing cosplays. So let the tape roll.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. I really enjoyed Comic Con this year and filming everyone was a blast. And if you were featured in this video, please comment down below. I'd love to check out more of your work. If you want to follow me, Instagram, Twitter, all my social media links are down below. Everyone, have a nice day and peace out. And make sure you guys share the video as well. Share it everywhere. Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, your Facebook, your mum's Facebook, your dad's Facebook, your dogs, cats, whatever. Yeah, peace out.